Hi guys, it's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. My name is Jamie. I'm soon to be 53 years old and I'm on a journey to become debt-free. So, if you're new here, welcome. I'm going to give you a little background. I'm a mom of 3 grown boys, one who is a deputy sheriff, one who works in the heating and air conditioning and lawn care service, and the other one is a disabled veteran. So what I'm going to be doing today is showing you guys my budget planner for the year 2025. I did try to make my own again and it just didn't work out. I used this type of planner last year. I didn't show you guys a lot of my budgeting videos, so you didn't see it a lot. But I did go back with this one. And if you all haven't seen it, this one is from the Artful Planner Co. And I really love their layouts. So when you open it up, you have the 2025-2026 calendar outlook. You have important dates, the brain dump. Then you have debt trackers, or budget tracker, which you can track what your budget and expenses were in your savings for the year. You have saving goals. My saving goal for this year is to pay off my car. Then you have savings trackers. You have 12 of these. And then you have a donation tracker. You have your bill payment checklist. You have your debt payoff goal. Then you have your trackers. And you have 12 of these also. And then you have account trackers. You got 4 of these, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have credit card information. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of those. And then you have 1, 2 bank informations. Then you have a few note pages. This one right here is the end of January balance. And of course you can see this is how I keep up. Everybody knows I have the bag full of money, which is getting ready to be done. And of course you can see like a letter and a number on it. If you've been watching my savings challenge videos, you'll understand the last savings challenge video was the one that explained the H on it. I had a total of 30 envelopes that I was using to save with, and I would randomly pick them out, and then I would then go with like the letters on the $1 bill and what envelope they would go. So here's the list of the 30 envelopes. These are the ones that I finished. This was the end of January balance, and then when I finished them, this is the total that is in the little envelopes. So they do have different numbers in them, like 56, 61, 55, 43, 51. They have different amounts in them. But guys, it's just amazing how much money I have saved with doing these little envelopes. So, of course, here is Melvin. Melvin is a pear-head pig. He is reusable, which is good because he's just adorable. Melvin is the debt-free piggy bank. Melvin only gets $20. That's all he gets. That's all that's going in here. And the reason why I decided that is because I believe that is a doable goal for me at this time. So anytime I break a big bill, of course, you know, I don't get a lot of big bills, but when I do, if I have a 20, he goes into Melvin to be debt-free. So I can't wait until Melvin gets full because I am not going to open him up until he is completely stuffed to the top. And I can't wait to see how much Melvin holds. So that's Mr. Melvin. He is the debt-free pig. So over here, you have your February bill tracker. You have your February goals. This is how much I want to save $500 for February. Then you have monthly goals of what you'd like to do. And then you have, what do I want to accomplish this month? So you have your 2-page calendar outlook. I don't know if you can get the Sunday to Monday start. I did mine came this way, which is probably a good thing because I like to have my, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday together. And then I just put in the bills on that date. That way when I open up, I look, I say, okay, today's the 18th. I need to make sure my car loan's paid. So over here is the February breakdown. Yeah, this is something that is just something I really needed to have together, because you have your bill breakdown, you got your savings tracker, your account and debts. I've not filled this in yet, but I'm going to soon. Then you have your little savings challenge in here. It's $500 in 30 days. I'm doing what I can for the month of February. This right here is a sinking fund tracker, but actually I'm using it for this. So this is what Melvin has got in him right now, is $80. So hopefully Melvin will continue to grow and I will save up enough money to pay off my car this year. That is my goal. Then you have the weekly expenses, if it's a need or a want. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, you have 4 in February. So this is your end, is your total monthly savings. How much did you save for February? Your reflection, your accomplishments. I can't talk this morning. And looking ahead. And then you have 1, 2 note pages, and then the brain dump for March. And then it repeats itself. Now in the back, you have got a password log and contents. Contacts. See, guys, I told you, I cannot talk today. And then you have note pages at the end. So I'm going to use this again this year, and I will explain later on about how we budget with what we have, because both of us is on disability. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. I appreciate you hanging around, and I can't wait for you to follow this journey. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, I'm going to try to get to 2,000 subscribers this year. So with that said, guys, remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.